For the past 3 years, building a computer has been a luxury due to the surging price of computer parts. The prices skyrocketed due to different factors such as supply and demand, allowing scalpers on the internet buying parts way ahead of human abilities by using bots and the usage of graphics card for crypto mining. But now in 2023, crypto mining it's not as much profitable as it used to be, and companies now are releasing more graphics cards to be purchased by the public. At the same time, the latest graphics card didn't go down on price. So what options do we have to build an affordable computer? Well, you are in the right place, because today I will show you how you can purchase parts to build an affordable gaming computer for less than $500 on brand new parts. So let's begin. We're going to start with the CPU, the Ryzen 5 3600. It retails for $102 on Amazon. It has a 6-core, 12 threads that is great for gaming and other tasks such as video and photo editing. This CPU supports overclocking to 4.2 GHz along DDR4 32000 for the RAM. So we can save money on the CPU when it comes out for the cooler because it comes already included, and we don't have to purchase any other cooler separate. For the motherboard, we're going to choose the Gigabyte B450M with a current price tag of $79.99. This motherboard it's a micro ATH, which will fit in almost every case, so it gives us a lot of options when picking a computer case. Also, we have an option to upgrade the CPU down the road since it supports Ryzen 5000 series. It also has a built-in Wi-Fi M.2 interface for fast storage and enough RAM slots for dual channel. Moving to the RAM, I think this is the first time that I see RAM so cheap since I built my first computer. Coming with a system kit at 3200 MHz by Team Group and a price tag of $37.99. This RAM is compatible with the Ryzen 3600 CPU and the Gigabyte motherboard for dual channel support. This RAM does not have RGB if you want to include some colors, but I will leave in the description a link to an affordable RAM with RGB if you want to. Choosing a fast storage in this day and age is crucial for video games and loading time when it comes out for any other application. I found a very affordable M.2 on Amazon for $31.99. This M.2 has a 500 gig of storage, which is plenty for most of the games and is really cheap. For power consumption, I found a really good power supply for $39.99 by Thermaltake. This is a 500 watt 80 plus Y certified power supply, and power supplies around this price are not modular, meaning that all the cables for all the components are already attached to the power supply, so you might end up with few extra cables, and this is not really an issue since you can organize these cables with couple zip ties. Now coming from the graphics card, I found a Radeon RX 580 8GB rebranded by Showkins at a price of $105.88. Coming from the reviews of this graphics card was rebranded by another company and some of the components were changed. But this GPU is reliable and functional for gaming, so there's nothing to worry about. For the last component is the computer case, the Zeus Gambias Y RGB ATX mid-tower case. I found this case at an affordable price of $68.99. It has a plenty space for a micro and a regular ATX motherboard in case that you want to replace the motherboard for a bigger one. It comes with 3 addressable RGB fans that are great for the airflow and keep all the components cool enough. Well, now you know that it's possible to build an affordable gaming computer with a total of $466.83 before tax. A computer like this can give you a range of 60 to 100 FPS on 1080p and even on higher resolution depending on the quality and demand of the games. I built a similar computer with the same specs and playing Overwatch on medium settings on 1080p. It was hovering around the 100 FPS, but if you want me to go over this computer on another video, just let me know and I will just upload it. With all of that being said, thank you for watching this video and learning that it's really possible to build an affordable computer in 2023. Subscribe for more tech content and I will see you in the next video.